Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to activate or deactivate anti-spam for your Ionos email address. Now, if you're getting notifications like this, I'll show you how to fix the main issue. So you log into your Ionos dashboard, come here, click on menu, click here on email, okay? And what you want to do is scroll down and select the domain and the contract basically for the email address you want to activate or deactivate anti-spam. And then what I need you to do is I need you to go ahead and click on the email address for which you want to activate anti-spam. So let's do this one right here. So what we need to do now is click on this, right? And then once this loads up, okay, and if they ask you to authorize, just go ahead and enter your email and password. And here under anti-spam, right, you'll probably see this as disabled. So you need to activate it. As you can see, mine is already active. So what you basically do is you click on it, and then you need to go ahead and toggle it on. As you can see, mine is actually enabled. You just come here, you toggle this one on, right? And you can go back and you should see that it's actually enabled. As you can see now, it is active. So that is how to activate or deactivate anti-spam for your Ionos email address.